friends, today is a very special day for all the students. Today is Teachers' Day. We are also going to celebrate it in a grand manner in our college. I am performing a dance in it, and obviously I don't want you all to miss this performance and the celebration. So come with me and stay tuned.
We extend a warm to each one of you on the special occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, we celebrate as we celebrate the special day.
গ্রাহক এখন দিবি না কি হয়েছে সবাই